The Zonesun ZS-HG200 is a dual-hopper granule weighing and filling machine designed for large-capacity packaging. Operating at 8 to 15 bags per minute, it adopts a 4-stage vibratory feeding method to ensure smooth and accurate material flow. Built with stainless steel, including 304 contact parts, it guarantees hygiene, durability, and long service life. With its dual-hopper weighing system, PLC touchscreen control, and stable discharge design, the machine provides efficient, precise, and reliable performance for medium to large-scale production lines. Ideal for bulk granules such as seeds, nuts, feed, and similar materials.